If you have been trying to make money with YouTube Shorts and every method you have tried doesn't seem to work, let me show you a 3-step process that you only need to follow to essentially start earning thousands of dollars every single month, simply copying and pasting videos that are already on YouTube. And we start right now. Let us check out this search term called dashcam. As you can see, this video got 25 million views 3 months ago, and this one got 19 million views. This one here has 17 million views from just 5 months ago. And you can see these other videos right here as well, getting hundreds of thousands of views. Now, let us look at several examples starting with this one, Mega Driving School. In the last 30 days they got just above 2 million views, and they have monthly earnings estimated at a maximum of $8,000 from AdSense. They are also getting an average of around 66,000 views each and every day. Now the videos that they are making are a little bit longer, but that is not affecting their views in any way. However, we will be making YouTube Shorts that will absolutely go viral. Let us have a look at this channel, Dashcam Owners Australia. They got over 2.8 million views in the last 30 days. They are making an estimated $11,000 as maximum AdSense earnings. This is the type of content that they are making. You won't believe what this driver does after this accident. Camry driver crashes head-on into truck. Australian car crash, dashcam compilation 29. And so on. Lastly, let us check out unbelievable unique dashcam moments. In the last 30 days this channel got over 3 million views. They are earning an estimated $12.9 thousand from AdSense. However, they are making way more money than this from alternative monetization strategies that I am going to show you how to replicate later in this video. This is something you have probably never seen before, so keep watching this video right till the end. The first thing we are going to do is to find the footage. Let us go to youtube.com and search for dashcam. YouTube will show us all these results, however most of them are copyrighted videos, so we cannot use them. So let us click on filters and then click on Creative Commons. And in case you have no idea what Creative Commons means, it simply means that by marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. So we can use these videos, re-upload them, and then transform them to make them our own. For example, let us work with this video right here with 1.3 million views. To download the video, just type in pp in the address bar just after YouTube and then click on enter. We will be taken to this page, y2mate.com. Just make sure you select the highest quality available and then click on download and the video will be saved on your laptop. To turn this video into a short, let us go to canva.com. Let us go to the search box and type in story ad and click on this option right here. Just make sure it is 1080 by 1920, which is the correct YouTube Shorts size. Here you can see that they have a lot of different templates under story ad, so what we simply have to do is select the one that we like and click on it. However, if you do not like any of the templates shown, we can choose to start from a blank canvas by clicking on blank story ad. Now, let us drag our video into Canva right here. And then I am going to sample it so we can see the bit that we are going to use. This bit looks perfect, so we are going to use it for our short. As you can see, this video is almost 11 minutes long, so let us click right here so we can trim it. We need to find exactly where the clip we need starts and where it ends. So carefully let us move the slider right there, and for the end we are going to do the same. Let us drag the slider right where our clip ends. Now look here, the new clip is almost 24 seconds long, and this is perfect for us. Now we are just going to resize it and drag it up here so we can make it bigger. Now it fits perfectly on our canvas. Now we want to add some background color. Let us click on the background, then go to the top and select the color black, and that's it. Now we are going to add some captions. Let us click right here and then select add a heading. Let us click again on add heading so we can put some call to action at the bottom of the video. At the top let us type seconds to escape. and at the bottom let us type in dashcam link in the description below. Now our video is done. What is left to do is click on download, then click on MP4, then click on download again. Now that we have our video downloaded, we are now simply going to upload it to our channel by dragging and dropping it right here. For the title we can write, near miss, just seconds to escape. Images work pretty well on YouTube Shorts, so let us add a shocked emoji. Finally, all you need to do is type hashtag shorts in the description. Now for a really good monetization strategy that you probably have not seen before, let us go to kit.co. Kit.co is an easy way for you to sell a ton of different items through Amazon Associates and Amazon using just one link. For example, you can see Peter McKinnon, one of the biggest photographers on YouTube. He actually made a kit where he sells products he uses, such as this camera, mic, GorillaPod, memory card and so on. You can see that they have links to Amazon, Newegg and Walmart, where they can buy, and if somebody buys through this link, you will make money from that purchase. All you need to do is click on sign up in the top right corner, then you have the option to sign up with either Twitter, Facebook or email, the choice is yours. Within your new account, for you to create a new kit just click right here, and then we are going to name our kit, Car Dashcam. You can add a description of the kit or hashtags, but we are going to skip that part, so just click on next. The next thing we are going to do is to search for a product, so let us search for dashcam here. Now to add this dashcam here, click on this button and add to kit. Even this one, front and rear dashcam, add to kit. You can add this one too, it looks pretty cool. Now we have selected 7 products, so this is your very own kit, and if anyone clicks on this kit, they can browse through all these cool dash cams, and if they click on any one of them, they will buy it on Amazon, and you will make money from that purchase. To get the link to our kit, just click on these 3 little dots under share this kit, and copy link to share. Now we go back to our YouTube video, and paste the link right here. For the caption let us write, get best dash cam here. Now we want our video to rank, so we add tags. Just scroll down here and type in dash cam, and as you can see, this tool will immediately suggest some good keywords that we can add to our video. The tool that I am talking about is called TubeBuddy. It is just a Chrome extension that will help you see a lot more data on YouTube and also gives you this tool for tags. You can download it completely for free. Now let us type in car crash, and then we can add this tag here. Click here to add this keyword, as well as this one too. Let us type in road rage, and add these tags too. It is really very simple. Now that we have enough tags for this video, the only thing left to do is publish the video, and watch the money roll in. And if you would like to learn how to set up your own online business, then click the link below this video to get started. Now listen closely. If you want to find out even more free ways to make a solid income online, then click to watch this next video right now. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.